Alright guys, so welcome back to another day, to another vlog. It's been a while and I'm so excited that you guys have tuned in. But yeah, so basically what we're doing today is behind the brand of Kadore vlog. I don't know why I paused there. But anyway, so basically today I'm having another photo shoot for my business. If you guys don't know, I have a hair company. Every information about that hair company will be in the description box, so go check it out. So yeah, so basically today we're having a shoot. We're having a shoot to just get some extra pictures, but we're also planning for a Valentine's Day sale that's coming up. During this vlog I'm gonna drop a discount code for you guys, so make sure you watch the whole vlog to get your discount code to get your Kadore hair. But yeah, so we have 3 models coming. We have my girl Stephanie at Virtuous Beauty. She also have a hair company. You guys should go check it out. So basically today she's gonna be doing makeup, and then I'm gonna be installing the wigs. And then we have my friend Kizzy doing some videos for Kadore, and then we have obviously Ocular Rev taking the pictures. He's actually bomb. If you live in Ottawa, I'm pretty sure he travels to Toronto as well. He's actually the bomb.com. Everybody working on the set today are bomb.com. But yeah, so right now I have to go get some balloons because we're doing like some kind of balloon picture set. So I'm gonna get that. I have to go get some refreshments for the models and the workers, just everybody. But yeah, I'm super excited. So I'm gonna take you guys to the adventure. So hopefully you enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.
Doxy.
Don't try to rock the boat. Baby, just hold me close. I'ma be calling you when there's a time of need. Don't try to rock the boat. Baby, just hold me close. I'ma be calling you.
Looked it up. Me too. No, I looked it up. No, like I heard than me and I'm quite few. No, I looked it up on when he was a kid. Like when he was underground.
You. If you are loyal to me, I'll be loyal to you.
You got the thing I like. I hope that it's alright if you could spend one night.
It's the new look Gucci wants. Yeah, Gucci said new socks.
Overtime, 7 days of the week. Come bust it for me, cause I want you part of my team. You got it on lock, I got the key. I wanna feel completed. Can you please complete me? I know this might sound sleazy.
What time is it? 4:37. We have to step it up.
You got the thing I like. I hope that it's alright if you could spend one night. Baby, come spend one night, cause it don't work the way you want to.
Shoot.
Whoa!
Alright, you can put your heels on.
We were ready!
Not ready to see the mirror? Okay.
Let me giving you around something like 101. Yeah, you know what I want. I know what you want. We can make it work if you really want it. Right now, girl, you got it.
You got the thing I like. I hope that it's alright if you could spend one night. Baby, come spend one night, cause it don't work the way you want to. Work the way I want to.
With the mirror? Yes. Yeah, go ahead. I was like, what you gotta do?
I saw it, bro. The hair.
She's gonna go change. No, yeah, she's hair, so she's gonna
So it's like, yeah, she's that, so she's going to change that, yeah.
Show Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah love.
I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready to do.
So like you actually model, like.
I mean, I've done photo shoots with this. Like outside.
Yo, thank you. Wow.
Funds. Me, I'm tryna do my own thing on my ones. I'm sorry, darling, I don't want no hugs. Yeah. Had a couple galleys try to hold me down, but they ain't my queen, they can't take my crown. They tried to claim it, I lost and found, but I only got love for the peas and the pounds. Yeah. I love being paid. I don't want you, no, I don't want bait. Tryna get my funds up in numerous way. Couldn't give a damn what a nigga gotta say. I don't need your loving, so don't tell me nothing. Oh, you think I'm bluffing when I say no cut. The moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Got 'em all screaming ooh la la. Yeah. I ain't got time for a honey, but I got time for this money. Check the bright side, man, it's sunny. I ain't being funny, I ain't into the love, and I'm sorry, yeah. Because I've done this all before, yeah. Because I've done this all before. I can take you out here. Come through, player 2, let's go. I like it cause you cut how I'm cutting. As long as we go big, I wanna be go big. Yeah, we go get that deep up and go sun. Let us go down. We go yeah. You might catch me in a 4x4, that's a Clover. You might catch me in a Rover, yeah. Or you might catch me on my Motorola, yeah. I don't need your loving, so don't tell me nothing. Oh, you think I'm bluffing when I say no coffee. Shorty said she coming with a...
Alright, so 3, 2, 1, go. What is that? 3, 2, 1, go. So 3, 2, 1, walk. Hey, come on. Whoa.
Hey.
Alright.
Veterans, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah. But I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah.
Yay! Come on.
I am so exhausted. Like the shoot was supposed to be done at 6:30. Yeah, we're definitely not done. We had to switch location. Like it's just a lot. But honestly, I'm so happy because the pictures came out looking delicious. Like honestly, all the girls that modeled for Kadore hair today, honestly, shout out to you girls, because you girls, first of all, you girls are gorgeous. Your bodies is banging. Like the picture came out looking fresh, and like I just thank all the people that work behind the scenes to make this pop in. Again, Stephanie Richards Beauty, Victor Aquila Rev, shout out to him because he's like an amazing photographer, and obviously Kizzy for videographer. He's the best, and the best hype man ever as well. Getting all the girls hyped up, honestly, was actually hilarious. But honestly, it was like an amazing shoot. Oh yeah, and his friend too helped as well, and that was really cool. So yeah, so it was really lit. I'm ready for the next one. I love photo shoots. Honestly, they're the best. But yeah, they're a lot of work, but they're the best. And then yeah, and the girls are so funny. Like we literally had conversation for days. Like I also didn't even know two of them were Haitian. Yo, Haitian girls. Whereas like all of them were gorgeous, honestly. Like I had so much fun with them. Their personality was dope. Like it was just like the whole experience was honestly amazing. I really loved it, and I hope you enjoyed this behind the scene of Kadore hair. Yeah, this is Kadore. But yeah, so enjoy your coupon code, and as well stay tuned for the next vlog, video, whatever I'm gonna be posting is gonna be lit. So yeah, so come back next Sunday for another video. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and share. All right, and follow, subscribe. What do you mean subscribe? If you're not part of the fam, subscribe right now. All right, so just subscribe. Anyways, as you can see, I'm really tired. Hence why my energy level is like on a high, and I'm eating candy and drinking apple juice. So you already know I'm high on sugar right now. When I'm tired and I'm high on sugar, I'm crazy, like literally. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'm so tired, and yeah, I'll see you next vlog or next video. Anyways, bye.